Good morning, boys. Ghost Cherry Limeade. 2 grams of carbs. Not bad. Smells cherry. Smells like a cherry 7-Up. Oh, it's really cherry prominent. Too artificial tasting, not for me. We're gonna give this one a thumbs down, boys. No good.